What's up mga mami sir? So today, gagawin pa rin natin yung ginawa natin kahapon. So kapag tumawa ka, talo ka. So kahit china-challenge ko ang sarili ko dito, dapat china-challenge nyo rin ang sarili nyo. So wag din kayo tumawa guys, okay? Let's get into it guys.
It's a long story. Talk to us. You need to be free. This is the audition. The stage is yours. So use it well. Maximize it, okay? So how long have you been singing? My mother died.
I think kinakabahan siya. Kasi kitang-kita ko sa body language niya na kinakabahan siya. At hindi niya alam yung ginagawa niya sa sarili niya. Kasi kita pa dito.
My mother died before I was born. Sorry about that. Yes. Did you say before you were born? Yeah, like my father married my mother shortly before I was born.
My father married my mother shortly.
She died. Then, right from then, I started singing even before I was born.
Wait.
I don't understand. There's a song my mother used to teach me when I was 3. I want to sing it today.
Kumakanta na siya bago pa siya ipanganak pero tinuturoan siya ng nanay niya nung 3 years old pa siya.
Hey, but you said she died. I don't understand. Your mother died before you were born. Okay. No, for real. She's always here. She can say hi to
Okay. I think hindi totoo yan guys, so that's probably a skit.
放行吧，准备好了没有？准备好了。啥玩意儿啊，真的啊！害怕。我跟你说了，
man. Brand new Air Force, huh?
我们 Air Force 冇啊
Air Force One, huh? Roses are red. Violets are blue.
I can see why this Sour Patch Kids commercial was bad.
Then there's sweet. Sour, sweet, gone.
Hindi ko na gets. Mensahe bang gustong iparating? Dito parang tingin ko dito, Hitler.
Then there's sweet.
And there's sweet. Hindi ko magets. Aba. Tapi ang hindi mo ni ka-scripted na. Unga ko, di ako makitikal umorbo sa mga girlfriend. Manotab ko ako na balik. Ay kasari na pagsipa sa likitan. Napangaminin yun. Tinutol ka na akong garnovali. Pamanti halita pang zero ha.
Need a new spray valve and then it should work properly.
Were my pipes dirty?
I don't know. I just checked the spray valve and the tailpiece.
Did you clean my pipes?
No, I just checked your spray valve and tailpiece.
Do you want to clean my pipes?
Do you want me to clean your pipes?
Maybe.
Okay, just let me know if you do.
I bet I can handle a pretty big pipe.
Guys, usaki ba yung nyabas sa manyabas sitwasyon? May kapapariniganag indan, bayang kanag kinsa pahiwati kung may gusto, may matatigari ko pong kasipatan, o kaya, confuse ako niya yun. What you mean? Yaw ka niya na dalon ka sa laki diretso.
Built to be a 1.5, that's what you currently have. I can install it too, but I have to rip everything out and that's going to cost you north of $3 grand.
Oh, I don't have that much money.
Yeah, well, it doesn't really make sense to do it anyway, so.
Well, maybe if I can figure out another form of payment?
You mean like a check? Yeah, that's fine.
No, I mean like maybe if you take care of my pipes, I can take care of your pipe.
Ma'am, I do my own plumbing.
Bayot! Api Mamusaki. May mupin sa laptop siya sa tahimik ka ba na labi rin ko na siya sa batatan sa siya ko sa bag. Bali inupin ko yung cellphone ko. Bali scroll ako sa Facebook. Ang akong ginatakaw eh.
When you fat, anything that you do is always going to be seen like worse. You can't fart, you can't do this, you can't. Even when you eat, you can go to lunch, get the same food as everybody else. As soon as you start eating, look at this fat ass eating. Why is that funny?
Bener, Mama. Depende rin ito. Depende rin sa style ng ka. Kasi apya masabur mo nito o gadalayan ni kasaburin sa pagpangin na di yung kadripa na to.
I want the house on the water. I want the nice car. I want the nice watch. I want to stay fresh. I want to stay clean. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. You should strive for greatness.
How did you gain all the weight?
Just eating a lot.
Di need yun, mambo. Doon ka na kay ugat at yan. Neko rin yun.
A box of mixed biscuits and a biscuit biscuit.
I don't think it's gonna be that hard, but I wrote it down. Here we go. A box of mixed biscuits. mixed.
Bruh, ain't that hard? It's literally a fucking.
Nahihirapan mo sila din. A box of mixed biscuit in a biscuit mixer. A box of mixed biscuit in a biscuit mixer. It's not even that hard.
思います。今さあこの最後の試合、僕らも全力で頑張るので応援よろしくお願いします。
Nere ko rin yun.
Konnichiwa.
Pila ginawa, di mo ito maging 63 mo na.
Are you a male or female?
Okay.
So how is this supposed to hear the fire alarm at a dust school? Oh shit, it might be a test. They're trying to find out who's faking.
Ba naman bro? Aram mo sa eskwela na biso? Wait, search ta ka. Dapat mo katabi ito, may aram eskwela na biso. Ay, aram mo dyan sa Pilipinas. So ganito, hand language na. Paano nila marinig yung fire alarm kung hindi naman talaga sila nakakarinig?
Fuck your protein powder. What's the next step? What do I do next?
Can't believe I lost a dog. I can't find my dog, man. He ran. I was walking him. He ran away. You can help me find him?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a huge dog lover, so where do you think he went?
I don't know. He's somewhere. I don't know.
What's his name?
His name's Nigga.
Oh, shit.
Here, boy. You got. His name's Nigga.
Bawal kasi pag daw ng mga Amerikano maputi N-word kasi bawal. Di niyo muna sa meto na mapanawag ka. Di niyo hindi tadalaw nito.
Sorry, is a gift.
Ongeloof is eigenlijk het juiste. Ongeloof is eigenlijk het juiste woord wat Rijken hier hanteert. Omdat dat was bij mij dus ook mijn eerste hulp. Ik voel dat dit echt niet kan hoor.
Nekor may nga pa. Umanggugay ba pa may nga ba? Talira kung pagkatatawag ka. Dapat, kung isa kang TV host, dapat open-minded ka sa lahat ng mga guests mo. Pero natawa siya kasi dahil sa boses niya parang iniipit.
Ongeloof is eigenlijk het juiste.
Nalaman ko na after pala nito, nung skandalo na to, nawala din siya sa trabaho. Ito na yung huling episode ng talk show niya. Pero I think sinetap siya ng producer niya kasi sino ba nang mag-guest ng ganyan yung boses? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung category ng TV show na to, baka health or what, but never mind. So that is it for today guys. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo at like, share, and subscribe. Kita tayo sa susunod na video bukas ulit. Inshallah, ang ingay ng manok. Stay healthy mga mamse and peace out.